Mwanja omwancho murigereria we TV akisi hot na wakiri nandi ngambye muna singi nchiyo kuendelea gusanga muna into kera chingaki. Today niko na chire gatunya to gusanga asa mangana abere atatu. Ekero tugasine kwena na obasemi buiga taringa ne singi nchende goseyo kurigereria na ko korera account eya mukurwase orogongora gusi. Lakini nganchire nchaki kukwaneiga. It is now around miaka 10 yarire korotonyora mangana kwa county governments ose devolution government. And the main purpose ya devolution government niwo yachiteko konya abantu mashinani konyora chigasi na gukora amagenderero eri kweneke nga chinse mu chitungo kina chire na ucheke wa mkende eke muchase kende na kia kogera tukatoa chi government iberitas the national government and the county government. The main specifically kera a county kera a government ekewa a responsibility ya ye ego kora. The national government was given a responsibility ya kora wucha sabanto chinsemo au wetra ase aba MP wetra asaba women rep and chair ase aba senator, but the most specifically getting a president and the MPs na bago deriva most chair ase abantu wetra ase national government. In the county government bakaweka responsibilities chair ase mo governor and the MCAs na bakori bayegasi te aba CC gokoregasi wetera aba CS wetera sensemeyo ya county government. In the national government in the same time to what the cabinet secretaries from various departments but bakwana kenga there is development chigo kiwasema shinani wetera as national government. Bono egento kenda tagiga kiro kwanira mungana ya county government and the national government ndo wate problem ya berege korekana korit kori gorokorwa ase a county ya Nyamira. The county of Nyamira ne county ya mokoro asoro gongora gusi inja nyari kanete tukatoa chi county bere korugusi kisi county and Nyamira county. Mbaro bani nge ko support myake yeko county chargo chaka tutwa county no ni sato wose county bere na to what sai wose a county yemo. If you check status cha a county ya Nyamira since to achageta mungana devolution governments up to date na bako na kyotebanga development ya nyare kubage korekana nga some fruits ntira rekana wetera as devolution government as miaka yiga ikomi yerire. Person like that nekerito kwaneke nga we have seen to atarire to achire to anekiri and buna intwe kulo abantu banyamira tote kuba specifically nga there is a lot of work etakaire gokoru as a county Nyamira wetera asabra national government and county government. We don't need korora imechando. There's one thing kabreke go chana Nyamira since the devolution ya rengororo ya chagete. Previously mwaro chisegichi kurwana kuru Nyamira county. County assembly mwarara MCS bakurwana imyaka ya kurumega goche. The problem ere ase rongora gusindo linga abarai bakurwana konyora leadership. And that's why nchenare gutoke myaka yo as public participation nga county county renga na ruje gotine na gotebanga now the other to the county mokoro asoro kongorwa gusi for meanwhile to develop to mago to ara another counties. we support the status of Nyamira County. Ibabwate nga Mugirango, West Mugirango and North Mugirango, they form the majority of the county. When it comes in terms of yo wakachikura, they will take over Vaira Evirogo Asengunchaki. This West and North Mugirango County Abagirango are what the majority. And the others Muna Amogetutu ta konya ko take leadership in Nyamira County asengencho nigo akuru asensemna Amogetutu, they don't form majority in that county. So this majority yagera sometimes abaraibacho very incompetent. I want to ask the MP aliase KMTC ya Nyamira yagachire. You know, when we start with as a university, university, we come to college to as some TVET and vocational colleges, which in Sega Abu, Institute, whatever. Kero interviews kwenye mwabuati university, mwabuati a college, ose TVET ama or whatever. Lakini pad lucky, one of the biggest colleges in Nyamira County, ekore kanobo soku asengencho ya oko twara amagacho atagachiri woke boikerano. For the county go shine, a county korokia there's development in the county. First of all, egeite kigakia bana ba mitoro ni numokeroche, egeite ke Nyamira County KMTC, ke gochi sense moya KMTC na part of the county government services muna mocheri ege kutoka sense moya Nyamira County. Right, because of incompetent leaders were in office. Na kia kogera amangana aiga a development some parts even vitarigo kina. For example, egeite kia moroche and the courtesy of Honorable Samuel Okemwa, the former aspirant Senator Kisi County. Ekero cheki gite ke Nyamira hiyo kego swa part of KMTC a college and the same egite kikega na same mortuary ya Nyamira ye rifaro ya Nyamira ekero kuno gite ke pare yo gweta yani ogo fight wete para wose college nene ikutoka Nyamira County. The same time go fight. Kogenda mocheri, kusiku sumu bere mocheri, ase pareye esarigete. Kurwase gita Kenya Mira. Meaning, konye county government take work on korosi pare kogenda mocheri. Konye Nyamira County take work korosi pare kogenda mocheri. And the same time the government, the national government korosia KMTC Nyamira. Nekia wana mogo demand a university and yet the college. Mwasinyo korosinone geita. How will you manage the standards chokoros again the koro university? Yani obo soku imagine if Toso kombea egeita kia school care inda tumekega. Let's say one of the national school. Tiandume Kenya Nyamira Boys is ego toka Nyamira County. Adiwo ya Kitutu Masaba. Nyamira Boys is inere national school. Nyamira Boys egeita kia Nyamira. You can't compete negita ke oso KMTC kia Nyamira ke kwenda 100 times. Nga no negita no Nyamira ga KMTC such as nchiyo kurigita ga sogo chakera. Anybody can enter a college because igaiga there's no security geita ga there's nobody covering a yogochi. Egete kiboto bosoku nani bakora magoso bakora dumping egete sco. So egene watabaneke sometimes abara ibagusi they are fighting go divide the regions so that one are leadership from those regions. The same way the way Baruanete say to make sure not to Nyamira County so that they take leadership from Nyamira as governors and the senators, and yet they don't know the responsibility yokobomu governor, yokobomu MP from that region. There's somewhere from Kisii County. And that's why ndari wancherana na mangana ya ba MP ba korokorwa ase gucha who want to divide Kisii County, Korositi County vere, that is Kisii County and Gucha County. Mwango iga, imagine it is 1 year now. Yes, some governor way county ya Kisii musike Paul Simbarati ai gore municipality yo Gembo. Imemaliza 1 year. This municipality yo Agucha eta kereo kola development, kola eta investors, Korositi para, so that let's work on municipality first. Arigucha, not a county, Korose County. The leaders from those area, but te konyora egante ko kukerikieke a county, so that babachi governor, babachi senator, babachi women rep, only to loot the money from the public, and yet but to corregas. Ntetini wanjana kobagana a county ya Kisii koba chi county vere that's Gucha County. No. Abara ya babate te Korosi Gucha County, they are after leadership. And that's why they will take over Mbakoregasi, Mbako development and neons to the county about the Korosi Gucha. The leaders from Gusi, they want to divide Mbake Kinyoreke County. So that when the leadership, Paibechiesa, very kento better governor, watu aleti development chin sobo chibesa babeke bofuko. And yet we don't want to look at the status Chokorose County and Ingetaka Korose County. For now, Wucha tiga ebe municipality area mugavana rate gorte era develop kwanza. Elo siwe heko wenera it can now Koroswa a county. Munde koni veke county now. Yabere county. Mumago chaka kwa iba chibesa. Mosi nyuka rosonone chipara. Now, name mpiore korugucha. Omo msiyore korugucha. Work hard wetera as a county government and national government. Chibesa chiyoko nyora. Develop gucha era aba fast. Era wenera kuru sokuru. Your constituency wenere ever developed. Omago tebe now give us the county. You talk about a county to what you pay kwanda buogo, to what you pay kwanda buogo, to what no there's nothing about it ngane county utagete. Ganda rosi non KMTC, tesa KMTC asense media yari kwa gachwari chinsa mwago chi tokoro kari pare na kya koro kwari uchi ile tango na ndematebi ari kuchikucha chinsa mucha pare ne around there. That KMTC etakere kwa gacho no MP Arifa Miruka. I make sure that MTC arosiwe omago sabe county. Back to Nyamira County. It is now 10 years Nyamira County there's development etara rekana. Incompetent leaders in office. Abra ibara obisi wale incompetent. The only thing about what you get in mind, no kubeko boseki boteyo, bokurwana poti chi poundari. Otima kachibe asa kurwana chi poundari, inga otegete ko tware poundari ka segete, uchikisi county asegete na asegete, and yet you can use that money first to develop in Nyamira County. Na recently mwalo si Park Street. Well and good. What about the lighting of Nyamira County? How can you get investors into a town? There is a day I was surprised. Na renga Nyamira County, Nkanyoro. I went for a story in Nkanyoro chikanyora saa 3 chabotuko Nyamira County. And chigari from Nyamira town to Kisii hakuna area stage. Abantu bazake guseka chiduka saa 3. And then ngaligia senkorara. Nkoboni nga inkorara, ngatebwasi yokorara. Nakiwa kwa ranke bosongo. Egapidi kalige pigipigi. Ikaneta bosongo. Yani Nyamira County inga saa 2 wachakire korengere guseke biashara. Invest kiyo gocha Nyamira ko invest kubeke biashara ana development and at saa moja orengerete gusheka chiduka. There is no lighting, there is no development by the county government. Makariri Nyamira County. Those we call incompetent leaders. Wabwate ama ongaraire abantu baraire mbari korenge mbai koretio bongonga, let's do this and this. People say the former governor in Kisii County aibete chibesa tinukana, but in that Kisii County I can na wankubara eminto vile vitatu. At least we have seen under the county government of Kisii under 10 years, and still there is more coming. Chiwa sechiwa kwa Kisii County development ngana ki Nyamira County inki nga chia chete tiracho echa Nyamira nga chia chete echichiko kwa regasi Homa Bay County cha Nyamira County nga chia chete senators inki bonoko nkyoko oversee inkyoko take Nyamira. My good friend Senator Omugeni Okongo Mugeni inkyoko take Nyamira County, and yet there is no end development ogocheki under these 10 years. Kwa bere mo senator Nyamira County injo korigereri kora sechi governor na ba MCAs. For example, tiankwanere stadium ya Kisii. The first stadium ya Kisii ya Rosetu, it was good. Mwaroche na ya renga smart. No mbona iga sai yasika kwa renovation, mnomo governor Simbaradi yasoete ameanza kuifanyia renovation. Yani stadium ya siku first Kisii County eko renovation second, yet in Manga Stadium no toko tamani kokora no mukutano nekitokoroka chingo sene chinko chikunye tege tiga tikera chibuseti, and yet you are calling yourself the governor. You are calling yourself the MCA from that area. Unajita kiongozi kwa Nyamira County. There is no development. Manga Stadium hakuna kitu. Ngasi kibono mwakora. Let me tamate ngende kemo. Mota nga ongwae nga na ibete kuru Kisii County. Na mwoko barira ATC Kisii County. Na mwoko barira Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. Na mwoko barira Mother to Child Hospital Kisii. Proposed Cancer Center. Proposed Doctors Plaza. Inyambega sene kwa tukino wateraba ye kwere ndo chikumanya. But structure nere ororo. Ekusi Stadium. Go to Manga no tokoroka Marani. Go to Marani Hospital. Go to Nduru Hospital. nebintu binde binge at least na atemete no nyu ibete lakini inu mo tabanche ibetu oyo ngi yakorekanire Nyamira abara ibari Nyamira kino cyengi cyabene boka kurwachisi chitoro MP bonsi boka kuruchitoro make sure nga mwabokirie ensemeri ya Nyamira umusasa Nyambati nuara se serikali ayo musasa Nyambati work hard kora development Nyamira County, especially KMTC ya Nyamira. Nere kore jene mubwate avune county ya Nyamira. National leaders and county leaders should come together, pull together and make sure nga mwakora development as KMTC ya Nyamira. Vune kore jene nere Nyamira County. Mutakete university and yete kore jabachinye ku maintain. Obo soku buoka. Let me talk of the last visitation of the president. Ekero ibwense mosikwira mruto chite Nyamira County. Moko saba industrial park and yet moko ara tabanga the president is coming to Nyamira County. Inki togo saba beka in mind mo president tokonye kwagacha egento gekoro kwa KMTC ya Nyamira gwenere. Imagine KMTC Nyamira, you can't compete with Sironga Girls Egeita. Sironga Girls High School. In these 5 years, this is called structure. And by the way, Tianarabori, earlier this year, the county government of Nyamira County mwaweka timu ya sasa Manga Stadium kwa gacheke tiki ya Manga Stadium. Since mwa rocket timu ya sechu up to date. In fact, ngwa nane kurigere record. How much ngwa nane kurigere? It's around mwezi wa April. Na ni mwa rocket timu ya sechu ya Manga Stadium. Up to date. Contractor tena atacheketi. Yeah? Korosegeti. No kubeke mark. Recently ga mo gavana Simbarati Kisi County. Oyo tabetenge kusi stadium meko renovation. After 1 week ya kwa renovation. Saa hii nogenda kusi stadium renovation again rete. Abara ibari Nyamira nkikiba cyane tarakini. Mwebire too much. Kora development as abantu ba Nyamira County. And that's why I intend to want to go to a county very cross or Gusi. Because Gusi have go to a county very and it is a problem. At least now, Sade County and Nyamira to Twade County Yamo Yakorugusi, so that with this one county, one governor can do egasi ekorekana tinsa mochonsi. Nyamira County wonobo soku. Umugavano Nyamira County anonsa sore. Aba MP, aba MCA. Yeah? Professionals anonsa simure. Make sure nga Nyamira County ya rosiwe. Kera li tukoni mbege iga ngukwana mangana Nyamira every day. To make sure KMTC ya Nyamira ya rosiwe. Pare kwende mocheri ya Nyamira County erosiwe. Hani mokwana mocheri nagosira moko mwetie pare bwate bitongo. Yana moko itebiru kunyo nagosira. Ale sanuki awo itebiru kubaka ebori ga kinonye ntabe gute mocheri. I'm told dinga mocheri ya Nyamira County. Ebe kiroro sana ime. That's why most people in Nyamira County, they don't prefer kuira nyagosira mebere yabo ase mocheri ya Nyamira. Bakwera chi private hospital. Tiri chikutoka chimocha ncheri Nyamira chiri chinge chi private. No bakwera nyagosirororo. Wari batari kubati basiro kwenyara. Na bakwira aga ari Nyamira mocheri. Asengencho. Oboso kuboka. Ladies and gentlemen, inuna bantaba ya to watera no botambe to merana nande ancho. Nchenya Dr. Dennis oseko kurikuntu. Bye bye.